So here's emeraldchat.com app. So Emerald is a new Omegle with Emerald video chat. You can talk to people from around the world for free. Click the Google button to get started. If you don't have a Google account, click the I'm not robot, then just sign in. And then you just need to confirm that you're 18 years old, and then please confirm your email address to ensure that you don't lose access. Haven't confirmed the email is necessary. So video chat, text chat, group text chat. So then you can just see here, and then you can just start chatting. And then that's basically the idea. Also, you can just enable video chat here. So then you can just try video chat similar to Omegle app. I don't know how safe is this app though, but at the moment it's one of the top alternatives for Omegle, which was shut down. And then you can just try to upgrade to have more features. There are all these settings in top right. There is like a premium badge. That's just that's not a subscription. That's just additional subscription tier. But you can also just tap to upgrade to Emerald Gold, which then you will have more features and more kind of upgraded account. So these are the things you can try here, and that's just like an overview. So give it a try.